Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your presentation and choosing the exact object you want to make interactive. Select a shape, image, or text box. This is the element users will click. Once selected, right-click and look for link or action settings, or go to the Insert menu and choose Link. This step attaches behavior to that object, so make sure it's the correct slide item before proceeding. By doing this first, you establish the target for the action and avoid rework later. Now configure what happens when someone clicks or hovers. In Action Settings, pick Mouse Click or Mouse Over, then choose Hyperlink to another slide, Next Slide, Custom Show, URL, or Run Program. Once done, use the drop-down to select the exact slide or enter the web address. Make sure the target exists. You can also add a sound or highlight. This level of control defines user flow, so test the target selection and trigger type before saving changes. Finally, test the action in slideshow mode to confirm the link behaves as expected. Click or hover the object to verify it navigates to the correct slide, opens the right URL, or runs the intended program. If something goes wrong, return to Action Settings, change the trigger or correct the destination, and retest. Make sure external links use full addresses and that any custom shows are published with the deck. This prevents broken navigation when you present.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.